Today we want you to relieve your back pain while playing bingo.
That's right. You might think it's weird that we're doing back pain bingo, but there's a lot more weirder things in life than this. And besides, this is Bob's idea. I'm going to be honest with you. It's sheer genius.
So how this works is I'm going to play bingo on Bob's behalf, and Brad is going to play bingo as well. We're pitting Bob versus Brad in the bingo off. Now, what we're going to do later in the video is the winning combination of numbers. We actually created a back pain tip for every possible lettered number combination, but the 5 winning number combo is what we're going to show for exercises later on in this video.
Right, and I'm willing to bet that at least one of the 5 is something that will help you with your back pain or even just a little twinge now and then.
And hopefully, if you happen to see our post earlier in the week mentioning pick Bob or Brad to win, you will be entered in the contest to win a massage gun.
That's right, the big massage gun. It's a nice massage gun. But anyways, getting back to the twinge, I think some of these exercises are going to be great for back maintenance to prevent an injury. I just wanted to make sure they understood that.
There they go.
Because it was important to me.
Good.
Let's go.
All right, our first number is N31. Oh,
no luck.
No luck. This is a bunch of... And the next ball is N42. Ooh, I got that one. Nothing for you?
N41.
Bob is winning. Oh, jeez, they're falling out.
Relax, relax.
Next ball is B4. Ooh, I have B4.
I got nothing.
Hey, you have a terrible card.
Yeah, Danny rigged me.
Bob, you're winning.
I don't think there's enough balls in there. Squat.
Well, we have 4 numbers so far, Bob. You do, but only 2 line up. So we got a while yet. 65. Nope.
Don't worry, I'll let you know.
I-26. Ooh, I got that one.
I had I-27. Some of them.
Bob, you're kicking butt. B9. N43. Oh, I have that one.
Yeah, N41.
Bob is off to a commanding lead. Brad's got 0.
Squat.
75. I have that one. Bob has that one.
I got 74.
70. I have that one.
Oh, I got 71.
Bob has 4 in a row going here. We could close this out soon.
This is rigged.
69.
Oh! Bingo!
No, that's 1.
Oh, well, I got 1. B-I-N-G-O. I got the O.
Brad is on the board, everyone. N41. Oh, I have that one.
Got 1!
Oh, we both got that one. I have 2 4 in a rows now.
2 4 in a row.
Jeez. Hey, no whammy, no whammy, no whammy. I-22.
Bingo! Bingo! I got an I.
Oh, we got another one.
But I don't have anything lined up yet.
You're supposed to say bingo when you win, Brad.
Here, want to look?
He's proud of his board now.
I get excited. I'm an excitable boy.
G56.
Got 1 again!
Oh, boy, the tides are turning, Bob.
It's a Cinderella story. This was like playing Battleship.
G51. I have that one.
Oh, it's not fair. It's not.
Well, yell at Bob. G46.
Got 1!
Ooh. G53. I have that one.
I don't even want to look at your card. Don't show me it.
I've had the 4 in a row and 2
killing me
for a while. I mean, Bob has. I'm Bob.
Oh, I got N37. And I needed that one.
Oh, that fell out weird. G55.
Ah!
Brad's got G55.
Yes. This reminds me of that song. Don't play B17. It was his song. It was our song, but it's over.
B12.
B12?
Nope.
Isn't that a vitamin?
It is.
I've got it.
Well, you are not vitamin deficient now.
I think vitamin B12 is real.
It is. Oh, 67. Ooh, I have that one.
Ah, you're killing me.
Ah, we have 4. Bob's got 4 different ways, but we haven't won yet.
You know what a B17 is?
You know, the cool little board came with this, so you can double check the numbers if they're called, and we just decided to put them in a cup.
Yeah. Just get on with the game.
We got video evidence, though, everyone. It's okay. This ball has nothing on it. What does a blank ball mean?
You get the free one in the middle.
I guess.
But just keep going.
N38.
N. Ah, I got another one.
I-18.
I got another one. I'm coming back strong. Strong like a bull.
Bob, we got nothing.
Bob's got nothing.
Oh, 64. Bingo!
No way. No way, man.
Bob?
We got to double check now. Go through them all.
Rewind the footage, Tanner.
But look at this. I almost got this one. But I guess that's about it. Oh, but 2 more on that one, too. Yeah. Let me see that.
So everyone that had Bob as the winner will be entered into the free massage gun contest.
Right. Congratulations, Bob. Congratulations, people who voted for Bob. I'm over it now. Now I'm happy. Okay, let's go on. What's next?
So what we're going to do is take the winning numbers here in the O line where we had the bingo called. Each number we correlated with a back pain tip or exercise or stretch. So we're going to go through the 5 victorious exercises.
That's right, and you'll be amazed at how many of them probably relate to at least one of your problems.
So the first tip is O64, which is strengthening your glutes. Oftentimes when people have back pain, they often have weak glutes. It's kind of an association. So what we want to do is show you how you can strengthen your glutes or your buttock muscle. There's one simple way you can do this, and this is from our friend Rick Olderman. You're actually going to get down on all 4s. I'm going to go on my forearms. If I'm strengthening my left leg, I'm going to kind of do a glute pump. Now, I'm not going to go through the full range of motion, which is commonly taught in therapy schools. What we're going to do is just go part way up and do little oscillations to really try to target that glute max. We're going to shoot for 30 repetitions total. You can do that however you want. 3 sets of 10, 2 15, 1 set of 30. If you don't feel much, rotate your foot in like this and do it this way. It isolates the glute max a little more.
Can you repeat the number again?
Make sure you do it on one side, do it on the other. 30 reps total.
And this is for sure one of those exercises anyone could do for maintenance for your back as well as hips and walking. It's a really versatile exercise.
So tip from O66 is to use a back belt. Now with these, there's many different companies. A lot of them work just fine. It's good to try and find a belt that you can put on first like this, feels comfortable, but then also has additional Velcro here that you can actually pull to make it tighter. You can see when I'm pulling it, it makes it tighter in the back, giving me like an external back brace, which can help if you're having acute flare-ups. Maybe you have to move some stuff or you're having really bad back pain. Wearing a back brace is okay. You just don't want to wear them long-term over years because your back muscles will become weaker.
Right, and there is controversy on that, like Mike is referring to. I personally, with most patients, I'll have them wear it when they need it, when they are actually lifting, they're doing some work. They can do it, but the back belt will offer support to the back and give them a reminder that they need to have good body mechanics. With a back belt on means you still need good body mechanics. I also use mine on my riding lawnmower because it's a bouncy ride, and I would put that on, tighten it up while I'm on there for half an hour or so, and it definitely felt better on my back as a result of using it for that specific chore.
They help you keep a reminder in your mind of having a flat back because it's pretty impossible. Like I can round my upper back, but I can't round my lower back now because the brace is keeping it there. So it's just kind of an external reminder to keep your back straight when you're doing activities or squatting down like this.
I think I referred to that already.
I don't. I'm showing it though.
No, that was good. I'm glad you did show it. So let's go on to the next letter number or the ball, the next ball number.
I think he's just mad he didn't win bingo.
Yeah, I am. 67, the use of pillows to help you sleep without back pain.
So what you can do is, if you're a back sleeper, is sometimes getting pillows underneath your legs like this can take pressure off your back, and it feels a lot better for some people. If you are a side sleeper, you want to do is place a pillow between your knees. Now what this does is it can level your pelvis, which is directly connected to your back, and it helps prevent from you placing your leg like this. If you're a side sleeper, notice my back is nice and straight here, and now it's rotated. This can cause back pain if you're having it. If you happen to be a stomach sleeper...
Wait. Back down. I don't want to forget this. When you have the knees here, you can, if your back is still bothering you, try putting one pillow under your ankles, and that can relieve back pain as well, just by positioning that. It's a little trick from, one of the great PTs. I can't remember. Bob will tell me later. But it's some...
Mackenzie.
Okay, Mackenzie. Yes, thanks, Bob. All right, next one.
Now, if you happen to be a stomach sleeper, sometimes when people are on their stomach, their back can overarch on them like this. So what you can do is try to put a pillow in there, causing a more neutral spine or even slight flexion if you are a stomach sleeper.
Yeah, you can put two, and then always move it up and down a little bit. Can make a big difference. 070 is McGill's big three. That's Dr. Stuart McGill. We're going to show his favorite exercise for core strengthening, which is definitely great for recovering from a back problem or preventing one in the future.
So what you want to do first is called the curl up. This is the first exercise. You bend one knee, keep the other leg straight, and then it's kind of like a crunch, but instead of rounding my spine and my neck forward like this, I'm going to keep my back flat into the mat here. And I'm simply going to bring my head up towards the ceiling, engaging my core. Then I'm going to come back down. You perform however many reps you're comfortable doing. If it's 5, if it's 10, just do what you can as long as it's feeling good on your back. Then you want to make sure, and you can switch leg positions and focus on the other side on the next set. That's the curl up exercise. That's the first one of the 3. Now let's get into the next one.
Let me have a little input, Mike. I always like to have my patients think about when you do it, you're just thinking about lifting those shoulder blades off of the mat, maybe a ½ inch is all. Sometimes that helps.
Next one we have is the bird dog. So you need to get on all 4s for this one.
Bird dog.
If you have trouble doing this, you can stand next to a wall and do it. So what you're going to do is I'm going to lift my right arm and my left leg out at the same time. I'm not going to extend way up in the air. You just kind of go straight out, hold for a second or two, come back, and then you're going to switch ways. No, switch sides.
Tighten that core up while you do it.
Make sure the core is tight. So you're going to go right arm, left leg, back down, and switch. This makes you work on opposing forces and can help strengthen your back without putting too much forces on it.
Yeah, I would say maybe the Springer Spaniel. They make a nice bird dog.
If this is too hard, you can start with one arm, opposite leg. Just do one appendage at a time like this.
Yeah, you're staying serious. I'm just trying to have a little fun with it.
Now, the last one is the side plank. So like a plank, but instead of facing down, you are on your side. For beginners, you can simply go on your knees like this. What you want to do is have a nice straight line. You don't want to have your hips down here. And you're going to hold this for a duration of time, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. If you're stronger, build up to a minute. Go for it, but you want to make sure to do both sides. If that's easy for you, you can certainly go on your ankles. Ooh. This is going to be a little more of a challenge. Again, you're just really strengthening that core, which is your abdominal muscles and your back muscles without having movement.
There you go. That's a nice one. Be careful. If it does hurt, it's too early for you to start it.
And our last tip is for 075. This comes with back pain while sitting. Now, if you are sitting in a soft chair, recliner, or couch that is not very firm, oftentimes you can just take a throw pillow, put it on your low back. That gives you a little bit more lumbar support, and oftentimes that can ease your pain. Try it out. Pillow thickness can make it determine if it helps or not. So just try it. If you're in a firm chair like I am, you may actually want a long pillow, and you want to place it vertically so you got good support throughout.
I feel like one of those people. I like Vanna White. I'm Vanna White.
Have you ever thought about being a pillow model?
Oh, yes, absolutely. I've been many offers over the years, but I turn them down every time. Wow. So that was it. All of the back tips for our bingo game today. I hope you learned a lot. Hope you had fun. And maybe, some people might have gotten bored, but that's, par for the course.
Hopefully you stuck around. And if you want to check out more videos on back pain, you can click this video link on the screen. It's an interview with Dr. Stuart McGill I did a while ago.
I'm going to click on it and see it happens.
We're just going to watch it.
Nothing happens. Every time I work on a computer, it doesn't work right.
I saw it. I can fix it.
All right. Have a good day.
He's still upset he lost.